Welcome to our subject Digital Signal Processing. My name is Satish Koduri. Today our topic is Spectrum of Interpolation. Interpolation means the process of increasing the samples of discrete time signal. This is symbolic representation of interpolation where x often represents input, y often represents output. The interpolation is denoted by x of n by I. Y of n is equal to x of n by I. Now apply Z transform to the output of interpolator, that is y of n. This is the formula of Z transform. Substitute y of n value, that is x of n by I, in this equation. Let n by I is equal to m, n is equal to mi. If we substitute these values in the above expression, we will get the equation like this. Replace m by n, summation n is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x of n z power minus ni. We can rewrite this equation like this: summation x of n z power I whole power minus n. Now this expression is looking like Z transform formula. Summation x of n, summation x of n z power minus n, z power minus n. Here z is there, that's why we are writing here x of z. Similarly, here z power I is there, we can write it as x of z power I. Y of z is equal to x of z power I. We know z is equal to e power j omega. Y of e power j omega is equal to x of e power j omega I. X of e power j omega x of e power j omega is frequency spectrum of input signal x of n. Y of e power j omega is frequency spectrum of output signal, where x of e power j omega I is frequency compressed version of x of e power j omega. This is time domain expression for the output of interpolator. This is output of interpolator in frequency domain representation. Here n by I is there, here j omega into I is there. Time domain and frequency domain both are inversely proportional. Here we are doing interpolation divided by I. In frequency domain it will become decimation into I. We know in decimation signal will be compressed. That's why we are calling it as x of e power j omega I is frequency compressed version of x of e power j omega. Now we can understand by using this graphical representation. X of e power j omega is frequency spectrum of input signal x of n. We know frequency spectrum is repeating after every 2 pi radians per second. Here this spectrum x of e power j omega spectrum is from minus pi to plus pi. Total duration is 2 pi. It is repeating pi to 3 pi. Total duration is 2 pi. Here minus 3 pi to minus pi, total duration is 2 pi, means spectrum is repeating for every 2 pi radians per second. But we need to take only one frequency spectrum. This is the original one. We can get by applying low pass filter. These dotted lines represents low pass filter. Now we are observing output of interpolator in frequency domain y of e power j omega, that is x of e power j omega I. This spectrum x of e power j omega, it is from minus pi to plus pi. Now I am taking for an explanation purpose I value is 3. Now we need to do decimation operation 0 by 3. 0 by 3 is nothing but 0. It will come to here 0. Now this spectrum is ending at pi by 3. So this spectrum will come to 0 to pi by 3. 0 to pi by 3. Similarly, left side it is minus pi by 3. This spectrum will come to minus pi by 3 to 0. By observing these two, this spectrum is compressed. The duration of this spectrum is 2 pi. The duration of this spectrum is pi by 3 minus pi by 3, 2 pi by 3. Spectrum is reduced, compressed. At the same time, these frequency repetitions will come into minus pi to plus pi. Here 2 pi by 3 is there. It will come to here. Similarly 3 pi, 9 pi by 3, that is 3 pi. It will come to pi. So this spectrum will come in here. Similarly, this is minus 3 pi by 3 is nothing but minus pi. This spectrum will come to minus pi to minus pi by 3 here. Our low pass filter bandwidth is from minus pi to plus pi. This is the dotted lines represents low pass filter. So in this low pass filter, this is the original one spectrum. This is image repetition, image. This is also an image. We need to eliminate images. So this, to eliminate the images, we need to use anti-imaging filter, that is bandwidth of low pass filter. Bandwidth of low pass filter must be minus pi by 3 to plus pi by 3. This 3 we have taken from here I. In general, bandwidth of low pass filter must be minus pi by I to pi by I. To eliminate these images, we need to use anti-imaging filter, that is low pass filter with bandwidth minus pi by I to plus pi by I. Anti-imaging filter. The output spectrum of interpolator is compressed version of input spectrum. That is, spectrum of interpolation has multiple images in period of 2 pi radian per second. To avoid images in spectrum, use low pass filter with bandwidth pi by I, as we have discussed. This low pass filter is called as anti-imaging filter, and symbolically we can represent like this. Interpolation, after interpolation we need to use low pass filter, that is anti imaging filter with bandwidth pi by I.